Hello everyone, today I'm going to be remaking Insomniac by Memo, and I'm going to be showing you how to create the guitar sound and also how to create the synthesizer. So first we're going to be using the recorder as a disc mini. Then we are going to set the BPM to 130. On the first track we are going to record the drums. In this case, we're going to be using the Cherry drum set. And the sounds that we are going to be using are and we're going to insert those sounds into the sequencer, and this is how it's going to sound. So it's a pretty basic pattern. Let's record that into the first track. Perfect. On the second track, we're going to record the guitar. For the guitar sound, we are going to use the vocoder synthesizer engine. As you can see, we're going to set an LFO that affects the delay of the cow. Next, we're going to record that on the second track. Perfect. So now that we have the guitar sound, we're going to record the synthesizer on the third track. In this case, we're going to be using the synth organ preset that I come up with. You can download it in the description below. And it's going to sound something like this. Now, one thing that Memo does in the song is he modifies the modulation. What we can do to make it more pronounced is we can actually increase the time just a bit. Let's record that into the third track. Perfect. Now let's listen to it back, and as we're listening to it back, we're going to consider the mix of the song and try to set it to a point where it's balanced. Now, one cool trick that you can try is set the punch to 0 and the rounds to 5 and the power to 99, and it gives you a lo-fi sound to your master tape. So let's go ahead and play it.